So we talked about the importance of video. Video is very important because it builds trust with your audience. Now you might not have a full team ready to go, and sometimes you might have to have content ready to go. You have raw content maybe in your phone and you want to put it together. There are video applications out there that you want to utilize. What I would do is go to the App Store or go to the whatever you're using, if it's Android, and type in what you're looking for. You'd be surprised how much that can help because there's always new applications being made to stay competitive. I will drop you a gem. There's the Quik app, Quik, I believe. If not, it's without the C. We'll make sure we have that right below here. And that application actually helps you put really neat pieces of templates that are already pre-made, but it's very smart. It'll cut it exactly when the music ends and stuff like that. It's really neat. Check it out. I'll put some really cool content together for you. Definitely want to utilize that along with the many applications that you can find under to help you create video content very easily, where you don't have to be a super savvy editor and use Premiere, although that's what we use in-house. But you're welcome to start with lowest hanging fruit applications that already exist in your app store.